This thing makes me feel ridiculous. I bet I look pretty sharp though. What was that?
It was the couch.
It's jumping like so I thought that you threw your camera down on the couch and say,
There's another spider.
oh, creepy where?
There's one right here. And then there's one.
This isn't so clean anymore.
And there's one down over here somewhere. You probably can't see it in the camera.
Ew, I see that one.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Ooh, top.
That's me being a little kid.
That's not you. Oh.
No, it's me being a little kid, freak. That's not me. I'm not a boy.
Sure.
Am I like running the wrong way?
Yes. Just run forward.
Oh, I thought it felt weird. Wait, I want to run backwards. Whoa, funky. Okay, that didn't much work out for me.